Hi, welcome to Mr. Otter Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple DIY travel watercolor set. One thing I really like about these sets is how small they are, so they're really easy to take around and to travel with. All you need to make this set is a tin. These Altoids ones work great. Clean it out. The second thing you need are some liquid watercolors. I really like these koi watercolors. You need the liquid so that you can squeeze it out into your tray. You can use as many colors as you would like. I wouldn't use too many or else it'll be kind of hard to mix it in your tray. I'm going to be using the primary colors plus black. So grab the colors that you want to use and squeeze them out into your tin. So squeeze out the colors you want to use, making sure you're leaving space between them. Let them dry overnight. After you let it dry overnight, these are not liquid anymore. They're hard, just like in a traveling watercolor set will have these cakes. Basically what you've done is you've just kind of created those in your paint set. And the nice thing with doing this is you can refill it with your watercolors. So anytime I start to run out, I can just use these to make more. And also I could make like 20 of these little tins with these 4 tubes of watercolor. You need a paintbrush. I would recommend one of these water brushes because you can hold the water in the tank. They're really easy to travel with. The water gets pushed out through the tip, so you don't need an extra container with water inside of it. However, it won't fit in your tin. It's a little bit big, so I usually travel with mine with my pencils. You can also, with an adult supervision, if you're young, you can just cut or saw your paintbrush so that it fits inside of your tin. So just make sure whatever size you make it, it's gonna fit inside of there. One thing you might wanna think about too is what are you gonna use for paper? You can take a larger piece and cut it down into smaller sheets if you want to. I wouldn't store them in the tin. I would probably just store them with it. You can give these as a gift and just add some paper. Or you can just, use whatever notebook you travel with. This is one that I had when I went to Chicago. You can paint while you're in the plane, train, automobile, whatever you're driving in. And that's it. That is all you need. Painting is a great way to document your travels, and it's also really fun to exchange these little cards that you've made with friends, or even to look through your journal and to see the places that you've gone. Those paintings can capture a memory so much differently than a photograph can. I hope you enjoy making this, but even more than that, I hope you enjoy using it. Have fun traveling, even if it is to your backyard. Thank you so much for joining me on Mr. Otter Studio. I hope you have a wonderful day.